Welcome aboard Avani Airways. Please fasten your seatbelts and get ready for fun and exciting Vegas slot videos.
I'm in the Highland Room with Davinci Diamonds, and I have a couple friends with me.
Hi, it's Brandon and Geraldine.
And where are you from?
Indianapolis, Indiana.
And they come to Vegas. Well, they've come a few times in the last 7 years. And I was really happy to meet them this trip. And we're going to play Davinci Diamonds together. We both have $200 in the game each. And we're going to get that bonus and win big, right guys?
Hopefully.
Okay, and we're going to take turns spinning.
Yep.
And I'll start us out. And I'm going to stand up, guys, because there's glare like usual. And if you guys can hit the spin button there, I'll move the chair over.
Oh, it hit bonus right away.
Oh, no. You need 3 of them, unfortunately. And it has to be on the screen, so it's actually, you can get 3 bonus symbols and it not hit the bonus because it has to be on the line.
Yep.
Did you want to take your turn too?
No, go ahead.
Okay. Big money. Oh, look, 2 wilds and nothing. Come on, Davinci. Davinci has not been as good to me lately as Diamond Queen.
Girls with pearls.
I know, we got to get those girls and pearls, and it needs to show us a good bonus. Come on, Davinci.
There's a good one.
Oh, that's nice. More like that. Come on. Oh, my gosh, we got 160. Way to go.
Yep.
We like that. Oh, my gosh. Still going. Oh, was that you or me?
That was me.
Oh, okay. Maybe you should do all the spinning. Line up those Mona Lisas. Or how about 5 Davinci Diamonds for us? That's 5,000. I hit that twice, but it's been so many years. Don't stop now, Davinci. You still need to redeem yourself.
Yes.
We're going down to our original money. Come on, something good. Bonus us. Davinci, unfortunately, it's one of those games that can give you a lot of dead spins. I once went 18 spins without a win. And right now, we're sort of doing that. Stop it.
Going there that way.
Come on, Davinci. You gave us a nice line hit and then you stopped. There,
we go.
finally. That's 60. Really good. More. Come on. Look at that tease. Look at that tease.
Oh.
I hate it when you get a wild from the second reel and it doesn't connect with anything. It really bugs me. Like that. Again. Yes. Oh, Davinci. You're going to lose bestie status. You really are. Did you want something?
She got it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Do you want a chocolate
I'm
martini?
good. No, I'm good. It's a little early. Only because I can only have a couple drinks a day.
I always think it's funny you order either
Fireball on the rocks, lemon drop, or
lemon drop. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
Oh, you seem to have the winning touch.
We had really good luck in Vegas.
Oh, you're having a winning trip?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that is so great. I'm not having
We haven't hit the ATM at all, and we came with 1,000, and we. Oh, okay.
I like that. That's
We've
nice.
had several big wins.
Well, I'm so happy for you. Now you'll come back to Vegas sooner rather than later, right?
I like to hang out with you guys. I think it's a lot of fun.
Well,
I'd like to meet Brian, Christopher, and
he's here
also
this.
Guy.
SD guy hasn't been to Vegas. It's your
In
turn.
a long
Been
time.
a couple
I
years.
talked to
2 or
him. He
3.
said you're fabulous, but no,
Well, he should get here. He really should.
he said that Vegas slots aren't as good as the slots that he plays
It
in
depends.
North Dakota.
It depends. Well,
Come on, come on, come on. We're getting down to the last 100.
oh, Davinci, you're not doing us good. Brian Christopher is here this trip.
Is he?
Yeah, I don't know if he's live streaming here today at 5 or someplace else. I know he has.
There we
oh,
go.
We're back
Okay,
in the
we're back back in the game. We're back
are.
into the game. Yes, we
And I
are.
spun that, didn't I?
Yes,
I
that was
spun
you.
a
That
win.
was all you.
Finally a win. Keep that
And we're
going.
going underneath.
Give us our money back.
Oh, yes.
Okay, we're
All
back
right,
in
we're
the
at
game.
250. We're back in the game.
So if you tune into YouTube at 5, you'll be able to figure out where he's live streaming from.
Oh, I don't want to stalk him
Oh,
like that.
He wouldn't mind. He likes to meet people. He's really nice.
Yeah, there we go.
Thank you. More wins, more wins.
Okay, now we need an orange one right there. Oh,
I think we gotta have that bonus drop. Come on,
Yes.
Davinci. Don't tease us.
absolutely. Oh,
Come on, Davinci.
oh.
This is gonna be a win. Come on, come on. Oops. Okay, we can make a comeback. Any spin
we
could win
can.
it. Spin it to win it. Bonus. No. Come on.
Okay,
Oh my
Davinci, $500.
We're back. We're back. We're back. Oh my goodness.
500, all right.
Guys, if we had had one more, it would have been
And
$5,000.
Oh my God.
Oh, we're gonna
If you would have paid taxes, what would we've got? You would have had to pay.
I would have just swallowed it. No, I probably have enough losses this year to cover it. Now, do you want to cash out here and on a high note, or do you want to keep
It's
playing hoping for the
completely up
bonus?
to you. I'm having a blast just hanging out.
Then we'll try for the bonus. Okay, guys, we're gonna risk it and do some more spins to go for that bonus. Keep those wins coming.
Bonus right here.
Okay. All right, just keep the wins coming. We like that. Bring that bonus on.
I can't believe you just won
Isn't that nice? I had a great line hit at Palazzo and Davinci Diamonds with Mona Lisa.
500. Oh, here we go.
So I might put that into this video so people can see it.
I'm just so thankful for you to hang out with us. for a
Oh,
little
it's a
bit.
pleasure to meet you. Okay.
Come on.
Come on,
Bonus.
Davinci. Do
Right
it
here.
again. Don't tease us. Drop that bonus.
Bonus
Maybe
right
not.
here.
Maybe
It
not.
can happen. I've seen it. We've played this game enough. It can happen.
It can happen any minute. Or not. Hey, Tara. I'm fine. This is Tara. This is Brandon. This is his wife. And
Nice to meet you.
it's G with a Maryland.
Jay Maryland.
G Maryland.
Yes, there we go.
Sure.
That too.
And I don't know why I'm having trouble with that. But
Oh, everybody.
so we put 400 in, and we did have a $500 line hit, but we're trying to get
Yeah,
that
we
bonus.
were down to the last spin and we hit.
So do you want to keep trying for it, or do you want to cash out?
Oh, of course we
Okay.
want to keep trying.
All right, we're going
you.
for it, guys.
There we go.
There we go.
$50 right off the bat.
I just always like to give people the opportunity.
Oh, nice.
Okay. 100! He spun 100! Yeah, he did. I want to spin something big. Come on.
Come on, let's hit that bonus.
We hit 4
Come on,
Davinci
girls, let's
Diamonds
go.
for 500. One more would have been 5,000. Yeah. Okay.
Girls with girls, that's what we want. Come on, guy.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, okay. Bonus us. Come on.
Oh,
Another
okay.
50. Is it me or you?
You see?
Ooh!
This machine's hot. We just need to hit that
It's doing
bonus.
good. If only that bonus would hit. Come on. Getting lots of activity for sure.
It's not dead. We need to kill it. Come on.
They're having a lucky trip. They're the ones rocking the luck here. They're winning on this trip. That's right.
All over you people.
And I got that in the recording.
Good luck, especially on the roulette table.
Oh, that's hard to do.
I know.
Wow. Oh.
I wish that was a
Let's skip ahead and see where we end up.
Wild at least. Oh, look at
Oh,
this.
last spin.
Yeah, I know, but it's not working out, and that was it, guys. We lost. I'm so sorry. Next time, next time.
Sorry, we tried. We had a really good fun.
I had a good time with you both, too. Thanks for being in the
Thank you
video.
so much.
Here at Palazzo. Davinci, Diamond Queen has taken over as my favorite game. You need to redeem yourself. Drop me a bonus and make it a big one. Because you are losing bestie status so fast. Come on, Davinci, show us how we loved you in the past. You are our favorite game. Love a row of Davinci diamonds, please. Come on, bonus. Darn you, Davinci. Oh my God, 1,000, guys. I just won $1,000 with the Mona Lisas. Wow. Davinci, thank you. I think Davinci just redeemed itself without a bonus. What do you think, guys? $1,000 line hit. That is beautiful. That is so pretty. Wow. That was gorgeous. I wish I had, well, maybe I can get a photo out of the video. But thank you, Davinci. Wow. Now, if we're making up, are you sure you don't want to drop the 5 Davinci diamonds for me? I know. You're going, she always wants more. She's never satisfied. A few more spins and I think we'll take our money and run. Ooh, that was funny. Ooh, bonus, bonus, bonus. Darn it. Oh, it's just teasing me. Davinci, I really love this session. We'll be back later. I'm not feeling the bonus and I want to take my winnings and run. So thank you. I'll be back. You might be able to give Diamond Queen a run for her money, at least this trip.